Good morning to all. So last three classes. Come on, tell me what is the last three classes? Unit and dimension. Then there are two parts. First unit and dimension and principle of homogeneity and applications of dimensional analysis. Then third, semiconductor devices. So fourth class, nuclear physics. So what about this last three classes? Useful or not? Useful, Any doubt? No. Okay. So listen properly. Now we are going to discuss about nuclear physics. Very, very important and interesting and simple unit. Nuclear physics. Nuclear physics. What is meant by nuclear physics? Study about nucleus. Clear? That's very simple. This. Okay. Next. In this, before going to discuss about problems, we must know about usually main concept about nuclear physics. So listen properly. Very, very important unit. This. Okay. First. What is this? One circle. Nothing else. Okay. Now, this is atom. Okay. Atom. But here, only here we should be discussing about, not about atom, only nucleus. Not about atom. Okay. So this portion, that means the central portion of the atom, that is called nucleus. In Tamil, Anukaru. Anukaru. So Tamil ஒரு சினிமா நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த படத்தோடைய மைய கருத்து என்னடா மைய கதை என்னடான்னு கேட்குறோமா இல்லையா அந்த மாதிரி மையம் மீன்ஸ் சென்டர். So that is called Anukaru nucleus or nuclei. Okay, listen properly one by one. Don't see others, okay? Listen properly because I'm very, very important this. Okay, don't see others. Please listen properly. So here talking about only nucleus, not about atom. Okay. At the same time, one of the nuclei simply represented by X, A, Z. X, A, and Z. Here, X means chemical symbol of the element or nuclei. Chemical symbol. Here X means a chemical symbol. Z means atomic number. Listen here. Z means atomic number. A means mass number. So, what is X? This is symbol, chemical symbol of one of the nuclei. Z atomic number, which is equal to number of protons, very good, or electrons, not and. Number of protons or electrons. Okay. Then A. What is meant by A? Already told you just now. Mass number, very good, mass number. Mass number means which is equal to total number of nucleons or total number of protons and neutrons, not electrons. A means the total number of protons and neutrons because of nucleus contains only protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons. A is equal. So, therefore, this nucleus consists of only two particles. First one proton and second one neutron. Proton, it has positive charge. Listen here. Positive charge. Listen properly, please. Neutron means neutral. That means no charge. Electrically neutral. It has positive charge, no charge. Its value for one proton 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Already we have discussed about the charge of an electron. Minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. But for proton, positive plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Clear? For neutron, no charge. 0. Neutron, 0. Clear? Okay. So what is Z? Atomic number, which is equal to number of protons. A, mass number. Total number of protons and neutrons are known as nucleons. Nucleons. Clear? So, is that okay? A okay? How will you calculate number of neutrons? Very simple. There are separate formula for caption. A minus Z. So this is the formula to calculating number of neutrons inside the nucleus. Clear? Listen properly. For example, here taking chlorine nuclei. What is this? Chlorine. Okay. Cl chlorine 17 here is 35. Okay, come on, tell me. Atomic number of this? Very good, 17, correct. Because Z. Okay, okay, then come and tell me yourself. How many number of protons here? Yourself. Very good, 17. Why? Atomic number which is equal to number of protons, correct? Correct. Okay. What is here? Yourself. A value, caps A value 35. Very good, 35. Come on, try yourself. How many neutrons are there? Yourself. How many neutrons? Because N is A minus Z, no? Come on, tell me. 18. Very good. How? N is equal to A minus Z. 35. Z value? 18. N is equal to 18. Correct? N is equal to 18. So here A is equal to, listen, A is equal to, from this we can written as N plus Z, no? Correct or not? So N 18, Z 17. Listen properly. Don't see others. Now totally 35. So mass number 35. Correct? That's all. Very simple logic. Nothing else. But very, very, very important to solving the problems. This is simple. No. This is the basic to solving the problems. Clear? Shall we go to next one? Kinds of or classification of nuclei. No problem. First one, isotopes. Listen properly. Isotopes. Second one, isobars. Third one, isotones. TBT. TB இருக்கிறவனுக்கு T கொடுக்கும். TB இருக்கிறவனுக்கு T கொடுக்கும். TBT. Okay. B bar. Tope. Tone. Which is tope? Which is tone? Tope. Topes. top. So first top. That means tops. Clear? So isotope. Because of this order is very important. Nothing else, no need. But simply keep in your mind order. That is very important. Top, bar, top. Top, bar, top. Isotope, isobar, isotones. Okay. First, we see one by one. Isotope, not isotope, top. Just assume top first, top, bar, tone, like this. Isotope. Topes, that means isotopes. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Any idea? Proton, deuteron, triton. Clear? Clear or not? Understand? Or protium, deuterium, tritium. Okay. Here C, hydrogen, same. So element same. Very good, correct. Element same. What is this? Symbol, chemical symbol, atomic number, mass number. Clear or not? So come and tell me, what is the definition of isotopes? Element same, atomic number same, but very good, mass number different. That's the type of elements are called isotopes. Here this is isotopes of hydrogen. Clear? Isotopes of hydrogen. So simply keep in your mind same atomic number, so Z same, different mass number, but same element numbers. Atomic number same, mass number different, same element. Same electronic structure, no need this. Okay. Then second one, isobar. Isobar. Isobars. Okay. For example here, taking on, on. Clear? Oxygen 816, nitrogen 716. So here listen, first one atomic number same, element same, mass number different. Second, come and tell me. Very good. Atomic number different, mass number same, element also different. For isobar. Isobar. Okay. Third one. Isotones. Tone. Top bar tone. Example here. On. Co. For example, no need this memory for this element. For example, famous carbon 614, no? Take here oxygen 816. Okay, come on, try yourself. What will be the definition for isotone? Yourself. C and O different, element different, Z also different, A also different. But any idea? Very good. Neutrons are same, correct? How do you calculate number of neutrons in this? N is equal to A minus Z, no? A means here mass number, for this 14, for this Z. Okay? So number of neutrons in this degree, N is equal to 8 neutrons. In this 16 minus 8 also 8. So same, it is contains the same number of neutrons. It is called isotone. Clear? Very important. What is this? Nucleus. Just you assume that nucleus. It contains neutron and protons. Lots of neutrons and protons. That is called nucleus. Okay. Here one thing very important here. How will you calculate the radius of the nucleus? Already we have studied about the radius of the circle or radius of the sphere in lower classes. Are you correct or not? So assume that this is nucleus. This is center of the nucleus. That is called the radius of the nucleus. Not diameter. Keep in mind. Only talking about here radius of the nucleus, not about diameter. So the empirical relation between radius of the nucleus and the mass number. Mass number means a capital A. Simple formula. R is equal to R naught A power 1 by 3. A power 1 by 3. Here, what is R? Radius of the nucleus. Correct, very good. Constant, leave it. A, mass number. Okay, so here R naught is equal to constant. Its value R naught is equal to, remember R naught? No. Okay, 1.3 Fermi. Or you must take according to your new textbook, no problem. 1.2 or 1.3. But Fermi, R naught is equal to 1.3 Fermi. Okay, what is meant by here? Capital F? Fermi. But 1 Fermi is equal to 10 power minus 15 meter wave importance. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 power minus 15 meter. Or femtometer. No problem. Or Fermi. Next one. Nuclear charge. Very important. Nuclear charge. Okay. Already we have discussed about right and see. Don't sit simply. Okay. You take notes one by one. Don't see others. Watch carefully. Nuclear charge. What is the symbol of charge? Already we have very good. Already we have discussed about this in first unit, 12th electrostatics. Remember Anna? So Q is equal to, but there Q is equal to Ne. No, but N means number of electrons there. Small is equal to single electron, charge of single electron, minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. But here, what is the reason of nuclear charge? Due to protons or electrons or neutrons. Due to neutrons, correct? No, you are wrong. No charge. But here, nuclear charge, it is due to only protons. Due to only protons. Okay, so we can write Z. What is Z? Atomic number. That means which is equal to number of protons. I am correct or not? Charge of one proton. Very good. Positive or negative? Positive charge. Because nucleus contains only positive charge. Clear? So here E is equal to 1. That means plus 1.6. Here taking only magnitude. So we can write simply E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. What is coulomb? Unit of charge. Leave it. Okay. Then AMU. Very simple. This only definition. Atomic mass unit. simply this is represented by small u. Small u means also atomic mass unit. So here 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. That is important. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg, kilogram, not gram, kilogram. Nuclear mass. What is the nuclear mass? Mass of the nucleus. What is the reason? What will be the reason for nuclear mass? Compulsory due to nucleons. Therefore, nuclear mass is equal to ZMP plus NMN. That is a formula. Because here, atomic number, mass of one proton, keep in mind, plus number of neutrons. What will be Mn? Mass of one neutron. But always mass of the stable nucleus will be compulsory less than total mass of the nucleons. Less than total mass of the nucleons. Less than means this is lowest value, this is highest value. Clear or not? Therefore now ZMP NMN minus M is equal to, we can introduce here one new symbol, delta M. What will be meaning for delta M? Mass difference, no? Mass difference between total number of nucleons and the actual mass of the nucleus. That is called Koranjirka Nirai Kurai. That means mass defect. That's mass defect. Very, very important part of this. Delta M means here mass defect. Mass defect. Nirai Kurai body. Mass defect. It is difference between total mass of the nucleus and the actual mass of the nucleus. Clear? Okay, next. Binding energy. What? Binding energy. Pinaipu. Serer. Which one? Nucleons, protons and neutrons combine to form of a nucleus. In this process, mass disappears. So disappears. This disappearance in the mass, it is converted into equal amount of energy. That is important. Equal amount of energy. So that means energy released. These two words keep in your mind. Energy released. That is called binding energy. There are two formulas. Delta M into C square. Delta M working no problem. C class 20, right? And also delta M into 931 million electron volt or mega, not mega, mega electron volt. Mega means 10 power 6. Electron volt means how do you convert it into joules because of energy, basic joules. So 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Clear or not? You must convert into joules. Energy in million electron volt or electron. Radioactive displacement law. Radioactive displacement law. Radioactive displacement law. First one, alpha decay. Second one, beta decay. Third one, gamma decay. Alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay. Finished? Alpha, beta and gamma decay. Finished? Okay. Next. What is alpha decay? One of the radioactive element disintegrates by emitting alpha particle. In this process, atomic number decreases by 2, mass number decreases by 4. Clear? What decreases by 2? Atomic number. That means Z. Decreases by 4, mass number 4 by emitting alpha particle. Okay. So now it is converted into next nuclei. Another element. So chemical symbol of element and compare that. Listen to, because very important this. It is converted into new one by emitting alpha particle. Alpha particle means here 2He4. Right. How do you remember this? Atomic number decreases by 4. Listen here. 2 here 2. Already because of already we have studied about this equation, not about this equation. This type of equation in chemistry. Remember Anna? For example, what is this? Hydrogen and oxygen gives us H2O, water. Remember Anna? This equation right or wrong? Right? No, wrong. What is the mistake here? Not balance. So regarding chemistry, balanced equation only correct. So we put here enough. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 atoms. 2 oxygen atoms. 2 enough. So this is correct. So here listen. What comes here? Here 2 extra minus 2. 4 extra. So minus 4. That's very simple. So atomic number decreases by 2. Mass number decreases by 4. By emitting alpha. Next. Beta. What is beta? I am correct? Minus 1 e power 0. Beta. Why? No change. No change. Correct? 1 decreases. So increases. That's so in beta decay, atomic number increases by 1. Mass number does not change. Clear or not? This is negative beta emission. That is important. For positive beta, plus, here comes plus, minus. That's all. Correct? That's all. Very simple. For beta plus, here comes plus, here comes minus. That's all. Then gamma decay. What is gamma? Electromagnetic radiation. No change in both atomic number and mass number. Atomic number and mass number does not change in gamma decay, but only changes energy levels. Law of dissemination. Law of dissemination. Next topic, law of dissemination. So according to this law, we can very important formula this. 100% is very important in nuclear physics. How many percentage? 100%. N is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. What is n? What is n naught? Number of atoms in the sample or one element at t is equal to 0. That means at initially ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. Okay? N. What is M? N. What is N? Remaining. So, number of atoms present in the sample at a given instant t. Task புரியுதா? Time t வந்து t ஆ இருக்கும்போது எவ்வளவு t தெரியாது. இருக்கும்போது மிச்சம் இருக்கிறது. Remaining. This is starting. E, leave it no problem. Lambda decay constant. Total time. Okay? half life. In Tamil, arai aayitkalam. Half life. What will be the definition for half life? Time taking for one half of the atom to disintegration. That's all. பாதி atoms குறையிறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுத்துக்குது? That is called half life. So then here we can written as the relation between half life period and decay constant. T of is equal to 0.6931 by lambda. Half life period, one of the constant number, decay constant. So we can relate half life period and decay constant, or the disintegration constant, like this. At the same time, then tau is equal to mean life. What is mean life? Mean, average, sarasari. How do you take mean? For example, for your 6 or 5 subjects, total marks by total number of subjects, like this. Sum of, come on, write down. Sum of lifetime of all atoms. Come on, write down here. Write down sum of lifetimes of all atoms. Finished? Okay. By total number of atoms. Finished? Total number of atoms. Then we can write tau is equal to 1 by lambda also. Tau is equal to 1 by lambda also. Lambda means a decay constant. Tau is equal to mean life or average. Okay. Then very important listen problem. 1 T of, what is 1 T of? What is T of? அரை ஆயுட்காலம். பாதியா குறையிறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு டைம் எடுத்துக்குது? அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும்? T of ல 50% ஆட்டம் என்ன ஆயிருக்கும்? decay ஆயிருக்கும். Remaining 50% undecayed. Here ஏதா ஒன்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோ. Unchanged changed. Unchanged. That is simple. Okay. So first T of 50% unchanged. Remaining 50% changed. That means a decay. Second T of adha paadi. அந்த மாதிரி ஆரம்பிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. இது ஸ்டார்டிங். ஒரு டப்பாவுல ஒரு சின்ன டப்பா ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. T ஆப்ல இது என்னட்டா? T is equal to 0 வா? T ஆப்ல அப்ப T is equal to T அப்படிங்கற டைம்ல n atoms remaining. So first T of பாதி இருக்கும். பாதி போயிடும். புரியுதா? அந்த மாதிரி ஆரம்பிச்சோம். Second T of அதுல பாதி unchanged. 25% unchanged. அப்ப இதுல பாதி என்ன? இவ்வளோ மிச்சம் இருக்குது. Remaining. So decayed 75%. Very good. Correct. 75%. Third T of adha paadi 12% unchanged. Changed 87.5%. புரியுதா? ஏதோ ஒண்ணு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. Undecayed, decayed. Listen here. Just a minute. Decayed, undecayed. Okay. Fraction of radioactive substance. Fraction of radioactive substance left undecayed. Left undecayed. What is left and which are? To calculating, we have very famous formula. Similarly, like this, 10%. This is 500% important. How many percentage? 500%. One formula. N by NR is equal. This what is this? Fraction. Left for left. That means undecayed. Remaining. Which are 1 by 2 whole power n. 1 by 2 whole power n. Here, okay, already discussed. This also discussed. Small n, introduce a new symbol, small n, 1 by 2, limit number. T by h, th, keep in mind, th, total time by half-life. Total time by half-life. Last one. Activity. Last one, activity. It is simply denoted by caps R. Activity. Formula for this, dn by dt. What is activity? செயல்பாடு. What is meant by செயல்பாடு? ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சி நடக்குது. இது atoms decay. So the rate at which atoms decay. ஒரு செகண்டுக்கு எவ்வளவு atoms disintegration decay. This is called activity. dn by dt. R is equal to lambda n. R naught is equal to lambda n naught. R is equal to R naught e power minus lambda t. Like n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Okay. dn change in atoms, change in time. Decay constant. N okay, n naught okay. What is R naught? What will be R naught? Activity of the substance at initial at t00 starting. Similarly, activity of the substance at any time t. At the same time, we must know about 1 Curie. 1C, come on, write very important this. 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. Or 1 disintegration per second is equal to Becquerel. Okay, so 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second, or 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 Becquerel. Okay, clear? Enough? That's all. This is the very important things to solving the problems. Now we are going to problems. That means AAPMT